A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Una did know say, and the same time when Paul get the call, him get up and go out and start preach. Una did know say, the first thing him do, I go spend time with God. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, no, it's a very good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Galatians, chapter 1, from verse 11 to verse 24. Brother and sister, I want to know so the message when I preach to you, I know nothing when nobody make up and tell me. Nobody never bring it, come give me or teach it to me. The message when I preach to you come from God and Jesus show it to me. Because you hear about how me did stay when me did a worship God like how the Jew them worship God. You hear about how me used to go around and I make God people suffer bad. And I mash up them church. Them day me did way ahead of the other Jew them. Where did the same age like me. Cause me did a follow the sitting them where we father them come down, did teach. And me follow it more than the whole of it. But God good and kind to me. Him pick me from a barn and him call me for do him work. And when he did ready, he make me know him boy pick me. Jesus. So that me could have teach the people them we are not Jew about him. Me never go talk to nobody when they sit there to me. And me never go to Jerusalem to see them we turn apostle before me. The first thing me do, I go to Arabia. And after that, we go back to Damascus. A 3 years after that, me go to Jerusalem, go see Cephas, and me spend 15 days with him. When me did it, me see James, the Lord brother. But me never see none of the other apostles them. God am a witness. All of the sitting them, when me write, tell you no, I choose something. Me not tell no lie. Me left from Jerusalem and go to Syria and Cilicia. But the people we follow Jesus and we go to church them in Judea never know what me look like. Them did only hear about me. Them hear say, Paul, the one we make enough of God people suffer and we try mash up enough church, change him ways, and turn around now and teach the message about Jesus. Him start do the same sitting when him did a try fit up. And then praise God, sake of what happened to me. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.